Hello, my name is Sunil and I am your instructor for the duration of this video. This video is part 1 of LVM How To series for Red Hat Enterprise Linux version 5. In this video we will see what is LVM, benefits of using LVM, and we will diagrammatically represent steps to create LVM. LVM stands for Logical Volume Manager. LVM is a method of combining hard disk space into logical volume that can be easily resized. The partition we will combine can be on the same hard disks or can be on the different hard disks. There is an issue. The issue is boot partition cannot be created on logical volume. This is because bootloader cannot read logical volume, so you need to create a separate boot partition, but this issue arises during installation time, so we're going to discuss this issue in a separate video. Physical volume cannot span over multiple drives. We will discuss this issue on a second slide. We will take two hard disks. We will use fdisk or parted command to create partition on these two hard disks. We will create one partition on each hard disk. I have created one partition of 300 MB and another partition of 200 MB. The partition size can be same or can be different. There is no issue. Now I will mark this partition as physical volume using pvcreate command. Now I will combine these two partition into volume group named VG1 using VGCreate command. The size of this volume group will be 500 M, that is combination of these two. After that I will create a logical volume using lvcreate command on this partition with the name lv1, and the size we will use is 50 M. It is your choice, but it cannot exceed 500 M. After creating logical volume, I will use mkfs command to make a file system on this logical volume. After formatting, I will use mount command to mount this partition, or I can make an entry in this particular file, that is /etc/fstab. If you make an entry in this file, on all subsequent reboots there is no need to mount this logical volume manually. Using mount command, it will be automatically mounted. Now the physical volume can be extended, but the physical volume cannot extend beyond this hard disks. So physical volume cannot span over multiple hard disks, whereas volume group can span multiple hard disks. Say for example, I will take one more hard disk, partition it, mark this partition as physical volume, and will add this physical volume to this volume group. Thus now this volume group is being extended, and the user never knows that how many hard disks are working underneath. Same is the case with logical volume. Logical volume can be extended or can be reduced. You can see in this case we have used only 50 MB of the total 500 MB logical volume group. So in this case the volume group, the size of volume group left is 450 MB. That means 450 MB is still vacant. I can use this space to create another logical volume, or I can extend this volume to consume this space. Now let's see how we can work with single hard disk. Say I will take one hard disk, I will create two partitions on this hard disk that can be of same or different size. I will mark these two partitions as physical volume. I will combine these two partitions into one volume group named VG1 using VGCreate command. After that, I will create a logical volume of size 50 MB with the name LV1 on this volume group, that is VG1, and will format this partition using make fs command. After formatting, I can use mount command, or I can make the entry in etcfs tab as per my liking. I don't think everyone can afford multiple hard disks, so in the next video I will show you the practical on how to create LVM on single hard disks. I hope you have enjoyed. See you in the next video. You can download this video from opensourcenuts.com. Don't forget to comment. Have a nice day. Thank you.